Today discussion about topic is output characteristics of transistor in common base configurations. Common base configuration. This is a set of obtained output characteristics of a transistor in common base configurations. Let's take it as a transistor, NPN transistor. They have the terminal, that is base, emitter, collector. Common base configurations, that the base pin will be grounded. Voltage in between emitter and base, that is VBE, and voltage in between base and current, base and collector, that is VCB, where current in flow, where IE is emitter current, IC is collector current. Next, R1, R2 is the load resistance of the, where VEC is input voltage and VCC is output voltage. Figure 1 is configuration of transistors common base configurations. There is the diagrams. In shown figures shows the always IC output current varying with VBC, VCB output voltage when IE input current is kept on constant, kept on the constant. Next topic is experimental process common emitter configuration, common base configuration in transistors. First, the input current IE is adjusted to 0 and kept on constant, then by increasing collectors to base voltage, by increasing VCC from 0 in a number of steps and corresponding collector current that follows in noted, Next, VCB is reduced back to 0, IE is increased to a value little higher than before and kept constant. The holes produced in the represented, The graphs are plotted by the VCB on x-axis and IE and y-axis. Then family of curves those obtained are output characteristics of the CB transistors in shown figure 2. This is the output characteristics of the transistors in common base configurations. Output characteristics of the transistors in common base configuration. common base configurations, where voltage VCB taken as a x-axis and voltage current IC, collector current IC will be taken on the y-axis. Then the flat the graph, the family of curves will be released, where 0 to 8, where 0 to 8 range is cutoff region, cutoff region, and upper of the layers there is the activate region, and third one is the shows the figure is saturation region, saturation region. Explanation of the graph to above graph, that is, if IE is equal to 0, then there are no injected carrier in the base. Therefore, no injected carriers current in JC, but a small amount of leakage current ICO at JC will flow due to terminal generated carrier in the base and collector. This ICO is also called as collector reverse station current, saturation current. If VCE is increased, IE increase, keeping IC constant. If VCB is increased in the increment in IC will be normal. It is clear from the family of output characteristics curves that they are parallel, that is, IC is less dependent on VCB, whereas it is much depending on IE, much depending on IE. We can find output resistance for this curve. Output resistance RO is equal to delta VCB divided by delta IC, where delta IC is small correction of the voltages, collector and base, and delta I is small correction of the current IC. The output resistance RO is equal to delta VCB divided by delta IC, which is very high. Summary: the relation between IC and VCB, keeping IC constant, is called output characteristics of the common base transistors. Even with IC is equal to 0, there is some current in the collector, is called reverse saturation current, ICO. ICO is temperature dependent. The family of output curves are parallel. The three regions in output characteristics of the common base transistors, that is, first one is active region of the common base transistors, saturation region of the common base transistors, cutoff region of the common base transistors. Showing the diagram is transistor in common base configurations, where B is commonly grounded and voltage in between emitter and base is VBE, and voltage in between collector and base, that is VCB, where collector current is IC, emitter current is IG. Above diagram showing transistors common base configurations. This is the basic graphing of the output characteristics of the common base transistors. First region is cutoff region, second region is saturation region, third region is active region. We can observe the region in the output characteristics, that is active region, saturation region, cutoff region, saturation region and the cutoff region. First of all, active region. Active region of the common base configurations. In these regions, the curve are almost flat. The curve are almost flat. IC is constant and steadily less than IE, slightly less than IE. It means IC is practically independent of VCB, practically independent upon VCB. This is the active region. Output characteristics is, in the region the curve are almost flat, IC is constant and slightly less than IE. It means IC is practically independent upon VCB. Second one is saturation region. In these regions, voltage in between collector and base is negative for NPN transistors, that is JC also becomes forward bias. In this region, IC does not depends much upon the emitter current IG. This is the important points. In this region, IC does not depend much upon the emitter current IG. A small changes in VCB result in a large value of the collector current. This is the saturation region of the output characteristics. Next, third one is cutoff region of the output characteristics is, the collector current IC is not 0 when IE is equal to 0. The collector current IC is not 0 when IE is equal to 0. This is called reverse laking current ICBO or ICO. The region below this curve corresponding to IE is equal to 0 is called of cutoff region. The region below this curve comparing corresponding to IE is equal to 0 is called the cutoff region. Called the cutoff regions. Summary. In the active region, IC is constant. IC is equal to IE independent upon VCB. In the saturation region, both JE and JC are forward biased. Small change in VCB result in the large IC. In cutoff region, even though IE is equal to 0, a small leaking current ICO is flowing. ICO is flowing. There is a input characteristics of the common base configurations. In these figures, NPN transistor is connected as common base configurations. Collector to base voltage can be varied by the changing in position of the parameter R2. While emitter bias voltage can be varied by changes of the position parameter R1. The DC millimeters and DC voltmeters are connected in the emitter and collector current of the transistor is measure the current and voltages. It is show how IE varying with VBE when voltage VC is hold on the constant. First voltage VCB is adjusted to a suitable value with the help of R2. Next voltage VB is increased in the number of direct steps and by the varying of the supply VEE corresponding voltage of IE. R noted will be millimeter considered in the emitter current. The same procedure will be repeated for the different constant VCB. When the floated will be input characteristics of the showing. This is the input characteristics of the common base configurations. VBE taken on the x-axis, IB taken on the y-axis. Then the flat the graph input characteristics of the common base configurations. Input side represented a PN diode and forward bias J is forward. Therefore, input characteristics of the common base transistor is similar diode forward bias characteristics. It is clear from the input characteristics VCEBE increase IE increases slowly non-linearly till VBE has reached its junction cutoff voltage VI. Once VBE greater than VI, VE increases nearly and rapidly with a small increases in VBE. From those input characteristics, the dynamic input resistance of the resistance can be calculated by the R1 is equal to delta VBE divided by delta IE, where VCB is constants. The value of R1 is very low, 20 to 100 ohms. Input characteristics figures is next base with modulus. As the output voltage VCB increases in the reverse bias of JC increases, then depletion layer at the JC increases. This depletion layer penetrates deeper into the base while reduce the effective base with the resistance between emitter base and collector base depletion region, so that there is a slightly increases in Ig. The relation between Ig and VBE keeping and VC constant is called input characteristics of the common base transistor. The input characteristics are nothing but forward characteristics of the PN junction diode. The characteristics curve shifted upward by the increases the VCB. We can determine input resistance input characteristics. This is the input output characteristics of the common base transistors. Next topic will be common collector transistor, will be next class.